New leads are the lifeblood of any business. The question is, are you capturing new leads on your site? Everyday people keep visiting your site via social media, search engines, advertising and other traffic sources. If you are not capturing your visitors' emails using email capture forms, you are missing out on a whole stream of additional revenue you can generate. By incentivizing your website visitors and asking them to join your email list, you can interact and educate them about your brand to boost customer satisfaction and trust. Companies like Groupon, Walmart, Facebook, Microsoft, and Apple use email marketing to notify customers about their special offers and deals. The fact is, every time they send out an email, they drive a ton of sales. You can now start implementing a smart email marketing campaign on your websites by leveraging our cutting-edge technologies and years of email marketing experience. Our agency is ready to help you set up and launch your successful email marketing campaign so you can boost your ROI and get more results from your existing traffic. Contact us today for a free consultation. We are here to help you grow your business.